welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Megan, just in case you don't know me already, and I'm back with another exciting video. Today's video is going to be a shopping haul because I've been doing a lot of shopping again, but this is all from the brand website called SHEIN or SHEIN, I don't know how it's pronounced. I've already done another haul on my channel, I'd say about 8 months ago, something like that. So I will leave that link down below just in case you want to watch that one as well. Today's haul is like majority makeup and beauty, that kind of thing. And if you're not already, I love it if you stick around and hit subscribe, and let's just get into the haul. Okay, so the first thing on the top is some hair elastics. We'll literally get loads and loads in a tub. I will leave like a picture on screen of like the little ad and the photo that I saw. So you actually get 500 elastics. I usually get mine from Primark, but Primark's closed at the minute and I definitely need some more. I always have my hair in braids, and this is a result of wet hair in braids on my hair. So you get these like lilac ones, blue ones, and pink ones, and yellow ones as well. So I thought these are kind of cute, pastel colours, and I was definitely in need of them, and these are 99p. I also bought a pack of 15 hair scrunchies, so this was £3.49, super affordable. SHEIN is like kind of really affordable. So you get loads just in this little packet. There's some really fun kind of ones, and then there's some just plain ones, but so we've got like polka dot ones, stripy ones, so amazing. Whatever I'm feeling, I've got a scrunchie for it. I look, these are like all the one's gone, one's got, two's gone, two down. These are all like the different scrunchies that you get. Next I picked up a palette. So I've been after a palette for such a long time, but it is just like a butterfly, and then obviously you can like mix things in it. You can like mix your pigments on it, mix them with like Durline or pigment mix. So I saw this and I was like, I need this, and this was £2.49. Also came with this little depotting tool that looks like this. Next I did pick up some little gems, some little rhinestone gems for like my eye looks and things, so I'm really excited to incorporate these. I'm not gonna lie, I thought they were gonna be bigger, I thought there was gonna be more of them. I don't know why. It was only 99p, so I don't know what I expected, but I'm happy with these. These would have looked so nice in my eyes today. If you are curious about my makeup today, I did film it. It is a full face of first impressions. If it is not up already, it will be up very soon. If it is up, I'll leave a link down below as well. Next I picked up some nail art tools, and these are what they look like. It's like little dots on them, different sizes. This one's like really small, and this one's a bit bigger, and there's different sizes, double-ended as well. I'm not a big nail art person on myself. I love nail art, but my patience is not there. I really wish it was, and I would like to get into nail art like a lot. This could like, you could create loads of like cute little polka dots. I nearly call them polka dots. Polka dots on your nails. I think that's really cute. But I wanted to do like liner work, you know. I thought this was gonna make like really nice like liner kind of dot kind of like tool. So that's the main reason that I got them. But I also would like to get into some kind of nail art. Basic nail art anyway. Very unlikely though. And these were £1.49. On the same kind of theme as nails, so I did pick up some nail art brushes. I do already have this exact same set. I just love these brushes so much, especially this pink one. They're just so thin, and this is kind of what I did my liner with, these brushes. I just wanted a backup. Like, these are like the best, the thinnest brushes that I've found. So I think the next bits are all makeup. First I picked up some foundation samples. I'm quite particular with my foundation, so I just wanted to try some samples first, so I did pick up 3. They were 25p each, so I picked up 2 of the shade Porcelain and 1 of the shade Shell, just so as I could see which one would match me the best. And if I like it, then I could buy like a full size one, but yeah, these are 25p each. So next is the Sheglam face palette powder. However, because it's in this packaging, I have a feeling it's a highlighter, not a face powder. Yeah, so this is like the two-tone chrome highlighting dust, it's called. It's just a highlighter, 2 different shades on it. I'm thinking this shade is going to be more suited towards my skin tone. I just can't help it, I just need to swatch it. So this is the very lightest shade. This one is the one that's a little bit darker, and then that's them both mixed together. I actually feel like I might be able to get away with that. I don't know, this one, I think this was like the 3rd lightest one, but it was also the lightest one that was in stock. It is going to look kind of nice on the light with my big light, but it's not the most intense. And this was $2.99. Next is Metallic Glow Blush. So it's a blusher. I feel like I picked like this purpley tone one. Yes, I did. I just really liked the colour of this. I just thought it was like really different and really pretty. So I'm really excited to try this. It is a glitter blush. Let's just give it a little swatch. I just can't help myself. I should really save myself for the video. But yeah, that's a little swatch. I love it. I just know I love it. It's really pretty. And that blusher was £3.49. I also got this Baked Glow setting powder. I was just looking for a setting powder, and this was like the loose powder that kind of came up, so we kind of had to go with a glowy one. I just hope it's not like a highlighter. This was also £3.49. Comes with a little puffy thing, and it is all sealed, so I will actually leave this for my video, and we will find out if it is like a highlighter all over my face or if it is like more of a setting powder. So this is one of the most expensive items that I picked up. Other than the eyeshadow palette, it was this next, and this is a Sheglam lip tint. I love lip tints. Oh, this has got really beautiful packaging. It's like kind of like a frosted pink plastic. It's definitely not glass. And this is in the shade Cheeky. I absolutely love that. Oh my gosh, it looks so bright. Look how bright it looks. I absolutely love a lip tint, so I had to pick one up. I think this was like a new item. Pretty sure it was a new item. And this was £4.49. I can see me using this. If I like this, I can see me using this quite a bit. Next, I picked up a contour stick in the shade 102 Mocha. I hope this is going to be a nice contour shade for me. So this is what it looks like. It's like, it feels really nice. It's like matte black with a shiny bit in the middle packaging. And let's see what the colour looks like. That's what it looks like. Certainly going to warm my face up, but if it blends out really nice, then it should be okay for me. It doesn't smell particularly nice. It smells a little bit plasticky. Let's see how much you get. Do you know what? You get a decent amount. Oh, and you get a little brush to like buff things out. That's cute. So I also picked up a concealer. This is a 12-hour full coverage concealer, so I'm expecting good things when I give this a try. This is in the shade Vanilla, and you know what? It looks like a really good shade for me. I know that these sell out pretty quickly, so I had to wait like a couple of days for it to be in stock before I ordered. But you know what? This packaging looks like really good. This was literally £2.97, which I think is an absolute bargain. Some of the prices do fluctuate, so I am telling you the prices, but the prices do kind of fluctuate. Sometimes they put like little sales on where they knock £1 off, and plus if you use that app you get 15% off just for using the app. Definitely use the app because I find the app a lot more easier to use than their website. I picked up an eyeshadow primer. I could not find a face primer. That is one thing that I couldn't find on their website, but maybe that'll be coming soon, I don't know. So yeah, this is an eye primer, and that's what it looks like. Let's just have a little look at the doe foot. Yeah, nice little doe foot. Looks quite nice. This doesn't smell particularly nice though. This was £3.38. I think it was £3.38 because there must have been like a little percentage knocked off that made it a random price. Sounds like it anyway. I picked up some jelly glitter. This was new to Shein, and I picked this up in the shade Peacock. I think, yeah, in the shade Peacock. And I'm not gonna lie, I've opened this. I haven't swatched it, but I've opened it. This is the packaging. It's really nice packaging, I have to say. And it's just like a jelly glitter, and that's what it looks like. I think it just looks really pretty. Really beautiful. So I picked up one of the new liquid blushes. I picked this up in the shade Orgasm. Now this is like something that I'm really looking forward to trying out. Look at the packaging, it's beautiful. It's kind of like the same kind of packaging as the lip tint. It just looks so glam. Like, I feel like the packaging looks beautiful. And then like, oh that wasn't so beautiful, that. Oh no. Oh, I did not like that sound. My apologies for that sound because that wasn't very nice. Look how cute that is. It's like a little dome dofa. I've never seen anything quite like this. This is really cute. And then you just like put your little blusher on like that. Oh, this looks really nice. That's what it looks like inside. You do have like a little kind of stopper and it's all coming out. Yeah, so if you like do tip it upside down, it's gonna come out. There is a tiny little stopper, but not much. It's not squeaking anymore. Maybe I've got the squeakiness out. Sounds like I have. And finally, the last thing that I picked up was an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Lovestone palette. They have a few of these kind of palettes. I think they're £9, but this is one of the newer ones to the website. Slightly smaller than like a BH Cosmetics palette, and whoops, this is what the palette looks like. You don't get a mirror with it, but I don't mind. And this is what the palette looks like. I think it looks really beautiful. Some really nice shades in it, and it's like a nice matte to shimmer ratio. I'm really happy. I really like this bottom row. I'm really drawn to that bottom row. And this palette was £4.99, which is the most expensive thing that I bought today. So that's everything that I picked up from Shein and Sheglam. So just in case you couldn't tell by this little haul, I will be doing a full face of Sheglam on my channel, and I will be incorporating some of the things that I got last time. So yeah, that will be coming real soon, so make sure you stick around and hit subscribe. Those of you that are already subscribed, hit the notification bell down below just so you're notified when I do my full face of Sheglam makeup. And if you did enjoy my whole video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!